How to export to Excel in Airtable. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll teach you how you can export to Excel in Airtable. Note that this tutorial is quick and easy, so ensure you watch to the end. The first step is to log in into your Airtable account. Once you're logged in, this is how the Airtable account looks like. On this page, you can see your fields showcasing titles like note, a name, assignee, status copy, and then attachment. And then by the left side of the screen, you can see the grid view. You can see the things you can create also on your account. So once you can see all of this, the next step is to move to the top part of the screen where you can see the table 1 option. Once you see this, just click on it. Now, once you've clicked on this, in the box displayed, you can see the option import data. You can see the option rename table. This is to rename the table. You can also duplicate fields or duplicate tables if you want to. Now the next step is to move to the top part of the screen where you can see a navigation bar. In the navigation bar, you can see options like views, grid view, copy, fields, group, color, etc. You just click on the grid viewed copy and then a box will be displayed. In this box, you can see options like collaborative view, assign as personal view, rename view, edit view or description, duplicate view. Then you can see the option download CSV. So after clicking on download CSV, you can see the instruction. Click on OK. And then once the CSV has been downloaded, you can now go ahead and open up the CSV file in your Excel. And then once you've opened it up from there, the file will be found in your Excel page. You can also decide to upload it to Google Sheets if you want to. So this is basically how you can export to Excel in Airtable. Thank you very much for watching.